Hello guys, I am back. Today I've got another gun video because a Lego gun, whatever. Um, Looks like a gun, operates similar to a gun, whatever you want to call it. I use it as a gun. So it's a kind of a crossbow thing. The only disadvantage with the design, before I get into the advantages of it, is that for this entire section here, can't bloody get it. This entire section here, the thingo isn't accelerating. However, it does mean it is strong, like very strong, and it also means that you've got a bit of pretension in the elastic bands that way. So I'm not sure if that's zoomed in. I just had to modify it a bit, and the elastics broke, so I spent the past almost half hour building or fixing the elastics, building this hand grip thing, which isn't all that comfortable, but it does its job, keeps your hand out of the way of the mechanism, which goes from here to here. Standard trigger system, which is pretty simple. The hand grip, that was the complicated part. I had this sort of design, and the problem with it was it kept moving. So every time I tried to shoot it one-handed, every time I put the trigger, the grip would move forward and the trigger wouldn't pull. So what I've done is just stuck these bits on so I can use it better. And the reason for the elastic is because that was to try and keep the grip in the same spot before I added the thing on. This bit here is just for, hitting someone. If you really wanted to hit someone with a bit of plastic, which doesn't weigh all that much, I can just throw this almost as far as the projectiles get shot out of this thing. And the reason why I had this so high is because originally I had the bolt like this, so as you can see I had to make it go over the top like that. This is the original level of the sight. I haven't bothered to move that. So the reason why I have this here is because when I first built it, there was a lot of crumpling in the middle, so you'd have probably about a gap of that much in between the bars. Now when I load it, it's going to have a bit of a decrease around here. I'm not sure if I need to add anything extra to it. So loading, same thing with all my other guns. Muzzle loaded, no fancy mechanisms with bolt action, slide action, whatever you make. Simplicity is key here. So I am going to try and I didn't actually build a target, so what I'm going to do really quickly is not that, but build a target. I have no doubt it will hit it anyway, but just because I'm in the mood for building things that I'm going to shoot at, we may as well build something now. As I said, simplicity is key. This is literally my target here. So I'm going to put it, sorry for that, right here in front, right there. Now I'm going to get my crossbow and aim for the target. Now, as of yet, I haven't figured out the exact what do you call it, mathematics for the drop, so I'm going to have to guess. Shit, that was a blank though. Now I realize what my stupid brain has done. I forgot to put the ball in. It probably rolled out, or it did roll out when I put it down. So I'm going to get that back. Just hope it doesn't roll out again. Now this is what I was talking about with the crumple. See, this is what it's supposed to look like here, and it just gets a bit thinner as you go forward. And also I have a look at the stress that the thing's under. It's like hit the target. Bit to the left though. Oh well. It's a prototype. Well, not prototype, but you know what I mean. I think. I hope so. So, yeah. This is a new one. A new gun. Or crossbow, whatever you want to call it. That's what you'll be staring down the barrel of. It'll look a bit different, because this would be, cocking lever would be back and you'd have a ball in. So, yeah. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching, my friends, and I'll catch you next time.